Le clí sa breisin mína I lárna seachtainna hon séasúr AFLW na bliana seo ag bog a raig. A Ryan fórna dul an neart gannart, fad is á fórna eile ag strachad. Gan mórán am a fog is cosúg meag Ryan fahigar lár an na créimhacha. Seo túris go bachtarmach donacha bouta seacht an AFLW Fe Cahir.
Jimmer na Hawthorn Tharbor fad I Dennis Slad, Shako Carhoff and the West Coast Eagles.
All the way there!
The Coolig Aileen Gilroy Moyo Lewis and Gliffa, August Len Hawthorn Low. Cool Ella Anya McDonough as Gaia at Dari Capital.
Possible, she's going to pump it to the goal square, push in the back. That was clear for everyone to see. And Anya McDonough should kick it first from point blank range.
Find yourself, I reckon, as a defender sometimes just making bad decisions because you know if she's somewhere near it, she's half a chance to get it.
For her 11th of the season and a career high number, the Hawks get the first of the second quarter.
The trio Capital, Cool Ella at Gilroy, Dirach Agatus. Anyon trainer of the Eagles near Squeal Hawthorn Low. Pretty Gilroy, the Cool Ella, Dirach Garden Dera, August Bua Harvest Lochter at the Hawks.
And she finishes off with a big one.
Don Richmond Conceen, a Glyphagen Scott. Dirach Shachpoint le Sparlocker or Geelong. Carcashay, Truchani. The Ashley Maronis to Bedorn Harbour the Geelong. Cool Harva Tauta Keke, La Balakridge and Trio Capital, August a Teve Contossa. Anyon Akwit Irifti near a Geelong and on Barnish and Aruna.
We never know what she's going to do. We are on the edge of our seats.
She's got to go the snap here.
The snap? She's trying to work it out. The banana, the snap. It's Magic Maloney again. We're all tied up.
Cousins are in Richmond Lodger, August Bua Egan Aka Dera.
The Tigers just about kill the Cats season and they're into the top four.
Then in the Kangaroo the Bochins. The Spontas Iantach Elle, August Bua Aka and the Sydney Swans, Ochtu Shach, Fixa Shach. The Cooling Neve Martin Tribadoran, the Trio Capro, August, the Gaffel Capro, Canaleke.
King, the overlap, draws a crowd, pumps a handball to Eddie. Kick inside 50 was touched off the boot. Hamilton and Wall collide. Flipped out. Taken by Martin. Off the left boot. Oh, that's a magnificent finish. Neve gets a second.
Lan Vicky Wall, the Cool Ella, August the Kangaroos, Lanuns Low, Wadney's Farn and the Swans in the Lehisha.
Tarrant, spun in the tackle. Put it to a dangerous spot. Vicky Wall on her left boot, and she hammers through North's 12th.
The Melbourne Roll Order to St Kilda, Bua Carrickahar Triacha Aka. The Bunch, All War, Ixionel Goldricks Black Clea, Le Bua Melbourne. Cool Fear How to Keke, Ectusan Dari Cavro. Agus Danchi Conceen to Gundelagan Gliffe. Anyon Irutwa, Ex St Kilda, Don Melbourne, Aganis. Bua, Antau to Tove, Ex the Adult Suas. Or Florina Bunty.
The way the footy and fires goal, fabulous from the Irish woman.
Been Adelaide Crows, Doug Wolta and one GWS Giants. The Bochins, Ochwodo, Fix a Hawk. Neve Kelly, Ian Tuckerpod, Raw Hole, Canig Toast and Dari Capro, Canig Toast and Two Capro. Near Squeal the Crows, the Modulus Row again arm. It can keen a Holly Capro, August Bua Harva Ace Cocker and the Giants.
At 19 earlier in the season, there she is again, Marinoff, this time feeding it out to Neve Kelly, gets on the right, shoots towards goal, and she's got a couple.